How do we fix missing DLL files on Windows 11? Let's see. There are three methods. Let's see one by one. This can reinstall the program. This can replace missing or corrupted files, including the required DLL. Number one, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Number two, locate the program. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. 3. Download the latest version of the program from the official website. 4. Reinstall the program and check if the DLL error is resolved. If not, method 2. Repair the program if available. Some programs include a built-in repair feature that can fix issues without requiring a full reinstall. 2. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. 3. Locate the program and click the three dots next to it. If a modify or a repair option is available, select it and follow the on-screen instructions. 4. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. 3. Check for program update. The missing DLL error might be caused by a bug or compatibility issue that has been fixed in a newer version of the program. Open program and check for updates in its setting or help menu. 2. Alternatively, visit the official website of the program to download and install the latest version. 3. Restart the program and see if the error persists. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.